Hi, ladies and gentlemen. So we just got a huge blizzard here in Massachusetts that dumped about a foot of snow on us, even a little more in some spots. About 13 or 14 inches was what I measured a couple of minutes ago, and I figured I'd give you guys a perspective of actually how much there is. So even right here, underneath this ledge, underneath our back door, there's almost 7 inches. I'm just trying to adjust the camera quick for you guys. A good 6.5 inches right here underneath a ledge, and it just goes to show you that the snow was coming in sideways. There was definitely some gusty winds last night. So 7 inches there. Now you can just move it over here, and this is out in the open again, and that is, sorry, there's snowflakes that are falling on this camera. That's close to 10 inches, maybe 9.5. And now I'm just trying to come down these stairs here. There are stairs. You can't see them, but there are stairs. So I'm just going to measure it right here for you guys. And there goes the ruler. It's gone. So about a foot there, and it's still snowing up above us. So it'll be pretty interesting for the Monday morning commute tomorrow with all this snow still coming down. So, yeah. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. So right after this video of me talking here, you guys are going to see a time lapse of the blizzard that just came through Massachusetts in the past 24 hours. But before that, I figured I'd kind of just explain what you're about to see in the video. Last year, I actually posted a snowstorm video too in a time lapse, but I never really explained what happened, and it was just a quick 20-second thing. So I figured I'd do a little more for you guys this year. So anyways, what happened was this storm is what we like to call a nor'easter here in Massachusetts. And if you don't live here in Massachusetts or even the United States, then you might not know what this is. So we call it a nor'easter because it kind of starts almost like a hurricane does down way in the southern United States, down by like Florida and Louisiana and Alabama, way down there by Texas, those states way down there. That's where the storm kind of starts. You can kind of picture it as a hurricane, but instead of rain, it's snow. So what a nor'easter is it spins around just like a hurricane, but it's snow. So it starts as rain, like a hurricane does down in, in the southern U.S., but then as it makes its way up the coast, the east coast of the United States, as it makes its way up, since it's getting colder here, it's January in the U.S. here in Massachusetts, it keeps getting colder and colder as the storm moves further north, and that's when it changes over to snow. And since it's still spinning like a hurricane, what kind of happens is you get bands of heavier snow. You normally get 2 or 3 different bands of the same part of the storm just circling back around again. So you're going to notice times in the time lapse where it's actually heavy snow, and then it gets light, and then it goes right back to heavy again. So those 2 times I mostly noticed when I watched the time lapse were overnight last night. It was pretty heavy. We got around 8.5, 9 inches last night. And then it also happened around midday during the day on Sunday, which is today, by the way. We got it was coming down almost an inch an hour. It was coming down really, really fast, big, heavy snowflakes. And this wasn't really what you'd call heavy, wet snow. It was more powdery. So it wasn't good for like having a snowball fight or building a snowman or whatever, but it was definitely good sledding snow and all of that stuff. So it was definitely a big snowstorm, and we got around a foot of snow, even maybe a little bit more than that. It was pretty cool. So anyways, here you guys go.